Do you guys like completing researches and surveys? If yes, then you're gonna be in very good luck, because today I'm gonna show you a very nice website. It's gonna pay you 140 USD per hour for doing such thing, completing surveys and researches, submitting your results and getting paid. It's a very highly paid site, so stick with me down all the way just to show you everything you need to know for this site. And before we go ahead and start this video, as always, this is Chris with MarketIntelliSM.com. I'd like to welcome you to another fantastic video. Make sure if this is your first video to click the subscribe button following the right side of this video, because I want you to be part of my channel. It will be a great honor for me, guys. I learn a lot from you as well, so make sure you click the subscribe button, and right next to it there's a bell notification. Click on that so you can receive a notification for the video I release every single day just for you. Different ways to make money online, free, always free ways. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start today's video, guys. The website I'm going to show you today is called responded.io, not com.io. You can get the link as always from the description below, so you can click it. It will bring you to here, and what you're going to be doing on this, you're going to be getting paid to complete researches for these companies. So what I want you to do, once you come over here, click for the responded.com. It will bring you to this site, and as you said, get paid for participating in research studies. Responded in the fast way for high paying research opportunities. You can click here to sign up, but before that, let me show you a little bit how it works. 140 USD average hourly payment, one of the highest paid sites I've run into, guys. So this is a very, very good. It takes about 30 minutes an average interview length, but again, very, very good paid. And so far they paid over 2,343,000 USD to the respondents. Now, how it works, guys, you need to be legit and good on what you're doing. That you cannot just go and do the research with 3 or 4 different accounts. That's why they need to protect their companies they're working for, their profile as well, their money. So there is a specific way you sign and you verify your account. And as you said here, there's a couple of steps. Step number 1, you have to verify your profile. So you have to connect your LinkedIn or Facebook account. So that's the best way for them to go ahead and verify that you're an actual person, and not just by submitting an email and then you have 10 emails. You go open 10 different accounts and you request to do the same survey 10 times, and you're gonna get 10 times payment. That's not the way it works, which I believe is very fair for them as well. Fair for us because we are doing this and we want to be legit, and fair for them so they don't pay overload of money for something that is not fair either. So you need to have a LinkedIn or Facebook account. Once you create your profile, you're gonna you're gonna link these 2 profiles or whatever you think is best. We're gonna verify. You're gonna get match. Our matching algorithm will send you the research studies that fit your profile there, so they will see based on your profile account what you'll be good at for their studies, and then you participate. We invite to your study. You will be selected. You can complete at your own time, which is always great, and then you submit and you're getting paid. Unfortunately, this is only done by, the payment is done only by PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you need to create one. I know a lot of you ask me for more ways to other than PayPal, but this site is paying very well. So if it's needed, take the hassle and create an account for PayPal if you don't have one, because it's very, really good money. Now, guys, this is international. They're looking both in US and international. I don't know the exact list of countries, but they are looking international as well. So you can do this in most of the countries around the globe. So you can go ahead and click the sign up button so you can start making some money with this method today. As I told you, it's about half an hour for completing a survey, more or less. If it takes more or less time, you're gonna be getting the according ratio of that of the $140 ratio. Guys, this is a very nice site. As I told you, if you want to get a little bit more details on how it works, you can see here as well. The Responded platform works. You apply to participate in studying that you think you are good for it. You are not going to be getting paid to get the qualified survey, which makes sense because they're going to send you one qualified survey to see how good your feedback is. The researcher sponsor of the study reviews responses and sends invitation to those they think are the best fit. And after you complete the survey, you are paid the advertised amount less or 5%, which is higher fulfillment fee. Guys, this is it. This is what I want to show you today. It's a pretty legit, nice site. Give it a shot. Pretty sure it's going to be available for most of the countries. Very highly paid. It's going to give you a good amount of money. Now, I don't know how much service you're going to be receiving based on your profile and what you're going to be matching. So give it a shot, and hopefully you'll be able to get a good amount of service so you can get a good amount of money doing just this thing. If for any reason you don't get enough surveys, or for any reason you want to make more easy passive income, as always, make sure you click my number one description below for making passive income from the comfort of your house every single day money comes in. And guys, my favorite thing, it's free to join, video with proof that it works, and you can make money very easy. Once you set this up, money will be coming in by just passively. Money will coming in. Yeah? So I hope you enjoyed the content of this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe if you haven't already. I want you part of my channel, and start making some money today. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.